In this video, you'll learn how to book a weekly cleaning service using Wecasa. By following these steps, you will successfully schedule a cleaning appointment tailored to your needs. Start by navigating to the Wecasa website. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login section. Enter your registered email address and password in the respective fields. After filling in the required information, click the login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Wecasa dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the option labeled Cleaning. This option is usually prominently displayed among other services. Click on Cleaning to continue with the booking process. The next screen will prompt you to enter your full address. Fill in all necessary details accurately, as this information is crucial for scheduling your cleaning service. After entering your address, ensure that it is correct before proceeding. After confirming your address, you will see a list of available cleaning services. Choose the specific cleaning service you want from the options provided. This selection is essential for tailoring the appointment to your needs. Once you've selected the cleaning service, you will need to specify your preferences. This includes selecting the type of cleaning, the duration of the service, and any additional options that may be relevant. After making your selections, click the Next button to move forward. Next, you will be asked to choose a date and time for your cleaning appointment. Pick a slot that is convenient for you, and make sure to consider your schedule when selecting the timing. Following this, you will need to select the appointment type. Choose the option labeled Regular Appointment. This is important for setting up your ongoing cleaning service. Now, you will be prompted to pick the frequency of the cleaning appointments. Select weekly to ensure that your cleaning service occurs every week. After setting the frequency, take a moment to review the pricing details presented on the screen. It is important to confirm that the costs align with your budget before proceeding. Next, choose your preferred payment method from the options displayed. This will facilitate the transaction for your scheduled cleaning service. Finally, click on the button labeled Book My Session to confirm your weekly cleaning appointment. Once this action is completed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your booking has been successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.